Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with these quick and easy DIY Dollar Tree glam glasses. Now if you want to see how I put it all together, just keep on watching. This DIY came about after going shopping at HomeSense, and while shopping I saw these beautiful little tumblers. It was a set for $12.99, and I picked them up, and after I picked them up I was like, why did you do that? Why do you need to buy these? You could easily go to the Dollar Tree, get you a couple of tumblers, and you have the most amazing jewels and brooches at home that you could add to it. So I put them back and I went to the Dollar Tree. Here are the items you'll need for this quick and easy DIY. You'll need these 2 small tumblers from the Dollar Tree. I have a beautiful assortment of Totally Dazzled brooches here. I am going to choose 2 and you're going to help me do that. I'm also using my glue gun and then another adhesive, which is Fix All, and that also came from the Dollar Tree. The tray they're sitting on also came from the Dollar Tree. So right here I have $3 worth of products, not including the Totally Dazzled brooches. These Totally Dazzled brooches are absolutely beautiful and they are so brilliant. If you haven't checked out Totally Dazzled before, you definitely need to. And guys, now they do have their brooches in different colors. As you can see here, they are so beautiful, so gorgeous. I will leave a link to Totally Dazzled in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check out their beautiful, beautiful brooches. They are beautiful and they are very affordable. Okay guys, so I'm looking at the brooches to determine which ones I should use on these little tumblers, and they're all beautiful. I'm just gonna put them closer to the glass to see. So there's this one. Super cute with that big diamond in the center. That's cute. Then there's this one. This is cute as well, but it's I think it's a little bit small for the glass. And then there's this one. This is a good size as well. So at this point, it's going to be between this one and the one with the gems. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the pin from the back of the brooch. I'm just using a scissors to do that. Okay, so now that we have removed the pins from the back of the brooches, I am just going to use like an alcohol wipe and just clean the outside surface of my glasses so that my brooch will adhere without a problem. If you don't have alcohol wipes, that's okay. You can definitely use rubbing alcohol and maybe like a paper towel or something. It's actually the very same thing. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add some of the Fix All adhesive at the very end or the edge, the outside perimeter of the brooch, because those are the parts that will be touching the glass. You don't want to put any of the adhesive in the center of the brooch because the glass will not be touching those places. You just want it on the places that will touch it, because the brooch is not smooth, so not all parts of it will touch the glass. And after adding my hot glue and adhesive, just want to find a nice spot in the glass and add your brooch as straight as you possibly can. After placing it, just hold it in place for a little bit until your glue dries, the hot glue dries. And then you are good to go. Isn't that so amazing? So cute. And here is the other one. They are so beautiful. I absolutely love these. And guys, this is nothing new. I'm just showing you how you can actually save some money, because a lot of times we go into the stores and we see items that we really like and we can recreate them for a much cheaper price. So these are absolutely beautiful and cost $2 as opposed to the money that I was going to spend to buy them from HomeSense. Now let's go ahead and style them. And here they are, guys. They are absolutely gorgeous. I just added a little bit of greenery on both ends just to kind of add some color to it because it's all iced out. And like I said, guys, this is nothing new, but this is what I call money-saving DIYs with a little bit of effort. So you see it for one price in the store. You know you can go to the Dollar Tree. You know the materials and stuff you have at home, and you just go home and put it all together. Save myself a lot of money because honestly, I probably would have bought 2 sets because they're only in a set of 2, and save me some money. Here I went to the Dollar Tree and only spent $2. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Let me know what you think about this quick and easy DIY and if you would give it a try. I will leave a link to Totally Dazzled in the description box below. That way you can go ahead and check out all of their beautiful items that you can use to make this simple DIY. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video. And I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.